I'm creative, and you might be creative too, but if you don't have the proper workspace, you can't really create much. So over the last 6 months, I've had a bit of time on my hands, as I assume you have too. What I did with that was create my first actual working workshop that doesn't suck. I've been trying to make a workshop for quite some time, but this one actually seems to function. The problem is, I'm starting a business now and I want to step up my game a little bit, and I thought this would be the perfect time to start filming and kind of take you along for the ride to see how I turn this space that is actually in my kitchen, which is why the acoustics are so terrible. We'll try and fix that later. And then turn it into a fully functional working YouTube / small production / cool chill out space / yeah. Oh, bother. Oh, and there's more. Lifting the curtain behind the YouTube maker video. So the workshop is done, and before the big reveal I just thought I'd talk to you about workshops in general, because at the beginning of the video I said everyone should have a creative space like this to be creative, but that's not been the case for me for most of my creative life. I've worked in sheds and on kitchen tables and I've got the work done. It's not as efficient and it's definitely not as inspiring, but you can totally get the work done anywhere. I just wanted to show you in this video, with a couple of days work and a bit of a vision, you can really create a space that you are excited to be in and is a little microcosm of your mind, and it's somewhere that makes you pumped to go to work and get stuff done. It's the first step in getting started, and I think everyone should just have a look at the space that they're in and just see some of the potential that they could bring out with a couple of days and a bit of elbow grease. So yeah, that said, let's go have a look at what we've done. So the workshop is finally finished and I'm super happy with how it's turned out. In terms of like the layout, it's not massively dissimilar from the previous workshop, and that's kind of by design because over the last 6 months I've really ironed out how much I can fit into this small space and where the best place for all those tools are. So in terms of the layout, things have actually stayed very similar. The main thing that has changed is my ability now to film in this space, and as you can probably imagine, the crazy spider lamp contraption behind me has something to do with that. But I'm going to save the build video of that project for another video. So if you want to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell, then you'll be notified when that project comes out, and it will kind of go into a bit more detail of how that thing is going to help film projects to come. So that was the first video on this channel. I hope you really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making it. Definitely a big learning curve, but hopefully the quality will go up as we go along. Throughout the video you might have seen some of my older projects, either be using them or in the background of some of the shots. So if there's anything that intrigues you and you want to see more, leave a comment down below and I might do a follow-up video explaining one of those projects. But yeah, until then, remember to stay creative and have a great day.